falling for you. I can't keep away.
Cloud.
Are you listening? I want you to stay before you go. I want you to know that I'm down.
Tommy.
It started one Monday night, I was drinking, thinking how special the night could be. I got a text, meet me halfway, smoking the broccoli. Honestly, I want you to be proud of me, but I picked you up and even smile for me. Says you always down, but through a mirror cut inside of me. Remember, girl, you cried when I said I would die to be your man. If it wasn't God's plan, fuck it, I made it our plan. Cause tend to think about it, yeah, ain't nobody better than a broken dough, blood on the floor. I ran out in the rain just for you to stay. Sat in a fucking puddle wishing for a better day. You came and kicked me, said get up like there was no other way. I just needed you to see that I would be okay if you was near. You called your mom and down your face ran a tear. You said I think I fucked up, the last thing I ever hear. Woke up to the sound of knocking, police saying open up. Didn't know how to cover up mistakes that had me bloodied up. You answered the door and stepped outside. I was sitting in the room trying to come up with a lie, looking at the fucking ceiling asking how, damn, just why. This wasn't in the script, wasn't supposed to be that guy. You came into the room, then you looked me eye to eye. The police came in next, flashlight in my face, gun pointed at my fucking chest. They said, put your hands up, buddy, you under arrest.
Tommy.
All because I wanted our anniversary to be the best. This shit is crazy, I mean this shit is loco. Thinking about all the times that we spent together. You was my umbrella, we could storm any weather. I don't know what the fuck is going on. Texting, you won't even answer your phone. Man, I don't know what you want from me. I just wanna be everything you want me to be. Like your king, you my queen, and we move the pieces. And together we make two uno. This shit is driving me insane. I'ma break your membrane when you come back. Throw that ass back. Goddamn, you had that. Goddamn, I miss you. Goddamn, I can't think. This shit is crazy, I'm on the brink, finna jump up off the bridge in the pool and just sink, Lord.
For